What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rishi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to another 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, where today I've got a killer, fire Rush Athletics combo for you. Let's check it out in 3, 2, 1. Yes guys, welcome back. So hope you guys enjoyed that fire combination. Just remember, just for this video, I've got 2 minutes to show you how to do this, right? But I have in-depth tutorials on each of these moves that I'm about to show you. I just really want you guys to get an understanding of how I piece moves together and what for me looks good and kind of like syncs up well together. So follow along, I'm gonna take you through the breakdown. But if you wanna know how to do each and every single move, and if you're a beginner out there in particular, then go back and check my playlist, and that way you can understand how to do everything perfectly. The first things that you need to think about, guys, is staying light on your feet, on the balls of your feet even. You wanna always make sure that the heels are facing up. I'm not even starting the timer right now because you guys need to know about this. But otherwise, elbows go back. I wanna make sure that you guys are looking good when you're doing this. I don't want it to be kind of out of sync. I don't want you guys to be off balance, uncoordinated, all that kind of stuff, right? Go back to my previous tutorials on how to set up as a beginner if you're watching this for the first time. All right, so here we're gonna go, right? So you're gonna start off with a run skip, guys, yeah? Your run skips as follows. Knees go up, increase the speed, and then we're gonna go into 3 side swings with a run. So that's 1, 2, 3, okay? When you're doing these side swings, I want you to rotate, turn over your wrists, okay? As you're doing them, you're gonna keep them close together, not wide apart, so you look awkward, right? They stay nice and compact, close to your body. I'm gonna be putting over some slow motions as well so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Close to your body, 1, 2, 3. The important thing is that your feet keep moving whilst you're doing these side swings, right? Everything needs to be super balanced, super coordinated, and in time, okay? Once you've done those 3, guys, you're gonna go into 3 quick crossovers, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. With the crossovers, again, your feet are moving at the same speed as your side swings. When you're crossing over, you're gonna cross at your elbows, you're gonna turn over your forearms and your wrists, making sure that you make wide loops, okay? If you're crossing down here, it's gonna be too narrow, you're gonna trip, and if your timing's off, then make sure you just slow it down. You don't need to go so fast, okay? Obviously, when you get more advanced, you can go quicker, but slow it down if you're tripping up. From here, you've done your 3 crossovers. What you're gonna do is you're gonna plant your feet. Once you plant your feet, you're gonna go into that double under. You plant, 1, 2, 3, okay? The reason why my combos look a little bit slicker, or a lot of people say that it looks really effortless, is because I get the footwork right. So once you finish those crossovers, you plant the feet, stay on the balls of them, you're gonna take off, not too high, don't flex the knees. Then you got 3 double unders, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? From this point on, guys, you're gonna go now into your double under crossovers, okay? Remember, all the tutorials for each of these moves are already on my YouTube, so you can go back and watch that. Bobby, I already know we're past the 2 minutes, by the way, yeah, so don't worry. These guys know I never make it. Right, so double under crossovers, okay? I've got a whole series on this move. But when you're doing this, the key to making it look good is when you go do your double unders, you need to make sure the height of your jumps are the same as your double unders. That way, you're gonna make sure that everything looks in time, in sync. When you do your double under crossover, guys, remember, whip that rope around, turn your wrists over, and I'm doing it the Mayweather style, right? So I'm gonna cross first, so cross, uncross. You could do these for days. You just have to remember to make good loops, turning over your wrists, uncrossing. You're gonna need to make sure you get that whip on that rope so you can get the speed, okay? The key to this combination is timing and balance, all right? Don't need to worry about the speed. The speed will come, take it slowly. Otherwise, guys, watch the slow-mo. Hope you kind of enjoyed this combination series. I'm gonna try and do a lot more on these 2-minute tutorials. Otherwise, I'll check you in that next video. Don't forget, if it's the first time you're hitting up the channel, do smash that subscribe button. Make sure you buy the best vinyl on the planet. This is the Money Rope, the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. No doubt about it. And you can also check us out on www.rushathletics.co.uk. We're also available on most major Amazons. Helicopters trying to chase me. Otherwise, guys, remember, use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. Do join us, the hottest fitness community growing across the world today. Big up to Bobby behind the camera, and I'll check you in the next one. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.